guys, Sunday ulit. So it means it's CCLX day. So we will try to do a 16k long run today. The East West Fun runs next week na. So this is our last chance to do a long run. Sana makatakbo pa tayo like Wednesday or Tuesday. But I doubt, may pasok eh. So let's try to finish it in maybe in 2 hours or less. Tara, let's try it. $1K, $2K, $3K. Nasa halfway mark na tayo ng CCLX, 5.5 kilometers. So far so good, less than 30 minutes tapos natin yung 5K. Tara, ito na yung mahirap, yung paakyat. $7K. Taas na, tapos na yung mahirap, pababa na, easy mode. Then balik tayo, pabalik na Lapu-Lapu. 9K mark, end of Lapu-Lapu to Cebu City. Pabalik na tayo, tapos naman natin barely an hour, 55 minutes. Tara, balik tayo. So entering na Cebu City, pabalik ng Cordova. Mainit na. It's 6:15. Sana makabalik tayo rin 7 AM. 10K, pababa na tayo. 6K more. $13K. 3K more. Lapit na. Konti pa. $10K finish. Less than 2 hours lang. Umamig yung panahon eh. So nakatulong yung weather. Hindi siya masyadong nakakapagod. Sana we can do it again this week pag may time para condition tayo sa East-West Sun sa Sunday. Cool down na lang. Then muna tayo. Pahinga. Then linis bahay. Hindi pwedeng hindi maglinis ang bahay pag Sunday.